Now, I'd like to talk about deemed supplies for gift. The custom has a rule that states that when a gift, for example like a hamper, is given to a customer or even an internal staff within the same financial year, when it crosses 500 ringgit, then there will be liable for that gift a 6% chargeable tax. In this example, for example, within the same financial year, two gifts are given. The first gift is only 300 ringgit. Because it did not cross the 500 ringgit, therefore it's zero. But on the second gift within the same financial year to the same customer, it is 400 ringgit. 300 plus 400 is 700, therefore it crosses the 500 ringgit threshold. Then custom point of view is that the whole value of the 400 ringgit will be multiplying by the 6%. Therefore in this case it will be a 24 ringgit, not a 12. It doesn't calculate based on balancing. So this is exactly how SQL account will work as well. You just need to go to GST-Gift and you will see some sample transactions here already. And in this case, what I'll do is I'll select back the same customer. I can give an item that is within my own internal stock, or of course I can give a hamper that is not part of my stock as well. And if it's, I key in 400 ringgit, and if it's 400 ringgit, if it's within the same financial year, then the system will automatically calculate 24 ringgit. It's under deemed supplies, and you can post it to a expenses account that you would prefer. Once you have done that, then the system will calculate this amount of 24 ringgit into the GST return for that taxable period.